number 1. That was your first personal foul, first team foul, Fighting Eagles. Okay, baliktad pala, baliktad. Sige. Baliktad pala mamaya. Okay, first zero. Alam mo siya na line violation. Okay, rep, saglit lang, rep. Rep, saglit lang, ha. Mabora. And speed by number 27, Jalen. After speed by number 27. Number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 27. 5 to shoot. Abelido. 3. Long two. Goodbye. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 14, Mabora. That was your first personal foul. Second team foul, Fighting Eagles. Laura, pass to James. Lupa ko. Ayos lang. Number 27, wala. Inbound by Mabora. Pagbaroba, correct 20 points, 8-0.
Sino ba andun sa kabila? Mamaya, mag-jealous ka rin. Huwag na tayo sa tayo. Mabla pa naman.
Mr. James. James, 10 seconds to shoot. Always a trouble. Mr. Mabora, pass to Baroba. Baroba leads up, correct 20 points. 10-0. Still scoreless for Kairos. Mr. James. Pass to Flora. And jump ball, bola ng Fighting Eagles. Shot clock. Steal. This time Lubay. And that was steal by number 11. Pass to Mabora. Mabora to number 27. 22 points. Time out. Points 12-0. Laura takes pull-up jumper, getting the first basket. Laura. Mabora. Another 27 is the shot rebound by Laura. Here's the Laura bringing down the ball and almost a steal. That was Baroba. Baroba lays up to strong put back for Mabora. 42.
Saan? Dito? Doon ako eh. Lagyan mo na lagay.
Sabihin nyo na lang.
Laura. Fires. Ating pataglas.
JJ. Tawagin mo na.
Rizka Mabora. Pass to number 5. Abilino. Short. Ball goes out.
Diba si JJ eh?
Out of bounds.
Yung 20 mo pa.
Rizka Flora. Pass to Lubay. Lubay, too strong. Getting his own miss. 10 seconds to shoot. To Flora. Flora, wala. Another rebound. Flora. And there's a whistle, a foul. Number 27. Abilino, that was your first personal foul, 13 foul. 2 shots for Flora. Basket, first throw. For Flora. Second throw, no basket, rebound by James. James. 10 seconds to shoot, correct 2 points for James. 45. Mahora.
Tara na.
Isdoropan.
Tayo. Alis na tayo.
5.
Oo, alis na sa Kingston.
Out of bounds. From James winning down the ball.
Sa, alis na kami.
And still by Mabora. Pass to Abilino. Behind the back pass to Doropa. Nice pass to Mabora. Break for 2 points. 16-5. James. 5. Too strong. Rebound by Mabora. Pass to Austria. Miss the shot. Good job. Still miss the shot. Rebound saved by Austria. Going to Doropa, but still by Lubay. This time Lubay. Side step. And still miss the shot. This time Doropa. Austria. Malakas. Rebound by Flora. This time Flora. Pitch fires and there's a high foul. Number 5. That was your first personal foul. Second team foul. Entering penalty rather. Sabrep.
Anak, record lang yan. Ano? Ganyan mo na lang, tuloy-tuloy na lang yan ha. Pakiladampot ko na lang sa YouTube. Sabi.
First throw, correct. 16-6.
Pero doon sa bahay, wala nang okay naman.
Second throw for Flora. This is the second. Okay, out of bounds. 56 seconds remaining. Agora. Put back, number 78. Malakas, rebound by Flora. 40 seconds remaining. Gustav Flora, 30 seconds. Pass. Short. Rebound. Chavez. Blocked by number 78. Gustav Mabora. Kudorova. Put back. Short. Flora. And there's a reserve, pushing foul, number 7, that was Flora. First personal foul, second team foul. Abilino. Block, that was a contact. From jersey number 15, James, that was your first personal foul, 13 foul. Kairos, 2 shots for Avenido. Number 27. First throw, correct for number 27. Rafael. Second throw for Bukayo. Correct for after 2, 86, 10 seconds remaining. Five seconds. Laura blocked by Avenido. And that's it. All of the first quarter. Official score 86. 12 for Padua Eagles. Okay, let's shoot the ball game. Second quarter. Kairos ball, Kairos. Kairos ball, Kairos. Hey, James on the inbound. Austin JM for Lubay to number 8 and out of bounds. Okay, Bukayo, pass to Mabora. Save and still ball to Padua Eagles. Mabora number 9. Pass to Bukayo. Bukayo, break for 2 points. Scores 26. 14 for lead for Padua Eagles. James, pass to Lubay. Too strong. Ball goes out. Here's Bukayo to Mabora. Back to Bukayo, blocked by James. Same ball. Bukayo, pass to Mabora. Mabora. He's thrown down on Kairos. Pass to Lubay. Lubay, guarded by number 15. Losing the ball, recovered by JM. JM blocked by Bukayo. And still a same ball. JM was the inbound. Pass to James. To Chavez. Chavez for 3 points. Chavez score 9-20, 11-point lead for Fighting Eagles. Mabora, guarded by Lubay. Turn around and spin out pass. Taylor, number 15 to Bukayo, pass. 3 points. Back to 14-point lead for Fighting Eagles. Lubay, another 3, yes sir. 12-23, cutting the lead down to 11. Mabora attacking the basket. Too strong. Ball goes out. Same ball. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Mabora. Nice pass to number 78. To the 40 boys. And a big hand. Pass to JM. Back to James. James, turn around. Fires. Too strong. Bound by Chavez. James on the ball. There's a whistle, foul number 15. That was your first personal foul, first team foul. Fighting Eagles. Kairos ball. Lubay, wala. Lubay. Lolo, basket number, block by James. And then block after breaking for James. James. 14 on the shot clock. Lubay to JM. 10 seconds to shoot. Lubay, too strong, rebound number 78. Mustafa Bora, moving the ball. And Malavin, Bagi. Sovereign set. Okay, back to the ball game. JM on laying down. Pass to Flora. To Lubay. Pass to Dale. Dale. Back to Lubay from the corner. Too strong, rebound by Doropan. Pass to Mavora against Flora. 10 seconds to shoot. Ginto. Back to Doropan. 5 seconds to shoot. Doropan for a jumper for 2. 127, a 50-point lead for Fighting Eagles. And no basket, foul on number 15. That was your second personal foul. Second team foul for Fighting Eagles. 14 seconds on the shot clock. JM. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Flora. Too strong. Rebound by Maboram. Pass to Ginto. Too strong for the pass. Flora going down. Received by James. James. Pull-up jumper. Connect for 2 points for James. Abora. Nothing foul on number 27, JM. That was your first personal foul, first team foul. Abora after Ginto. And still by Flora. Mr. Flora. Mr. Traveling Subject. Okay, Abelito. You have replaced the Lojo. The Loho. Europa. Bringing down the ball. And it's still by Flora. Mr. Flora bringing down the ball. Flora had time, and there's a contact foul was called number 14, Mabonang. That was your second personal foul, third team foul, Fighting Eagles. 2 shots for Flora. Okay, Austria. And Bukayo will check in again, replacing Maborak and Johnson. First throw. First throw, pumasok. Basket. Second. And missed the second. Rebound by Austria. And another steal for Flora. What a shot for Flora. Cutting the lead down to 10. 17-27. Here's Bukayo. Side step. Floater, wala rebound. James. And there's a whistle. Running in. Nakalimutan ni Brayvon. Okay, balik sa Fighting Eagles. With 1 minute and 10 seconds. And out of bounds now. James on the inbound. Pass to Flora. Here's Flora. 1 minute remaining. And almost a steal from behind. And 13 seconds on the shot clock. Seconds to shoot. Jaya. To Flora. To Lubay. To strong rebound by Doropan. 50 seconds remaining. Doropan. Doropan. And a steal by Lubay. And ang misa na foul number 4, Gito. That was your first personal foul. Entering penalty, Fighting Eagles. Lubay. Short. Doropan. Running by Lubay. To Austria. Block by James. That was his third block of the game for James. And Flora diving for the ball. Recovered. And ball was lost. And ball will go to Abilino. 10 seconds to shoot. There was jump ball. Same ball. With 5.6 seconds left on the second period. Okay, now, Fighting Eagles, mission score 17-27. Shoot the ball in. Okay, 5.6 seconds left on the second period. Fighting Eagles ball. Bukayo on the rebound. Doropan. Basa ko lang yan. Dito, block by James. Pag-block of the game. Mission score 17-27. That's the lead for Fighting Eagles. Oh, tabi mo muna yung bola, tabi mo muna. Mamaya, sa picture muna kayo. Okay, resume the ball game, third quarter. Bola ng Kairos. Lubay and Austria bringing down the ball. And a steal by Flora. Flora, that was his fifth steal of the game. Lubay, nice run. And this comes Bukayo. Bukayo. Pass to Austria. Too strong. Rebound Lubay. Pass to James. James, pass to Flora. Open for three. Bang! 3 points. 20-27, down to 7 for the lead. Doropan. Pass to Bukayo, 14 on the shot clock. Bukayo. And a 3 seconds violation. Substitution. Okay, Flora. For Jalen. Flora, pass to Flora. 14 on the shot clock. And still from Bukayo. Pass to Austria. Austria to Doropan. Turn around. Too strong. Rebound. Number 11. Block by James. Bukayo. Still miss. Back. Still miss by number 11. All goes to Flora. Nasa talaga. Flora. Spin. Kick out pass to Flora. Flora. And this is a defensive foul. Number 11 of Flora. Ginto. Too strong. Down by Doropan. Pass to Ginto. Short. Rebound. Number 11. Kick out pass to Doropan. 10 seconds to shoot. And we saw a traveling substitution. Okay, Mabora will check in again for Austria. Score is 20-27, still 7-point lead for Fighting Eagles. Flora. Pick up pass to Flora. Pull up number, too strong. Doropan. Doropan. Pull up jumper, using the glass, short. Put back for Bukayo. Connect for 2. Back to 9-point lead for Fighting Eagles, 20-29, with 6 minutes remaining on the third period. Flora! Doropan! Is the shot. Rebound. Bukayo. Maborang. Maborang. Rapas na number 11. Hindi nasa na yung bola. Jason laid down. Pass to Flora. Flora throwing the ball. Flora takes. Pass to Flora. Short. Rebound by Maborang. Now there's the foul from behind. Number 27, that was Chavez. Chavez, that was your first personal foul. Second team foul, Kairos. Doropan to Maborang. To Bukayo from Mackay. 3 points. Back to 12-point lead for Fighting Eagles. This time Flora. Moving the ball. Flora. Cover. Short. Rebound by Maborang. Maborang guarded by Flora. Pass to Bukayo. 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 Pass to Maborang. Maborang. Zigzagging lays up. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 15. 7 pala, Flora. Second personal foul on Flora. First throw, connect for Maborang. Second, 2 out of 2 sabrak. Flora pass to Hayes. Back to Flora. Flora, step back and down the ball by Victor. Goes to Bukayo. Bukayo takes. Fire short. And a bounce. Substitution. Abilido and Johnson. Check in, replacing number 11 and number 3. Bukayo. 10 seconds to shoot. Bukayo short. And out of bounds. Okay, di tumama ng rin yun. Ropan. Bukayo, nice cut. Getting the 2 points. 20-36. Balik. 16. Ito na lang kanina yan. 9-0 run para sa Red Eagles. Flora. Too strong. Rebound by Maborang. Maborang. Short. Rebound. Maborang again. Pass to Abilido. Almost at Robel. Turn around. Short. Rebound by Flora. That was your second personal foul, posting foul. Okay, bonus free throw for Flora. And too strong. Bukayo pass to Maborang. Roban, side step. With this rebound by Flora. And a foul was called on number 5. Second personal foul on Abilido. Second team foul, Fighting Eagles. Third personal foul rather for Abilido. Third, tatlo na. James. Pass to Flora. Flora. To Dale. Miss the shot. The pass to Doroban. Lays up. Connect for 2. And warning delaying the game on jersey number 5. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. Flora, pass to James, back to Flora. Flora, pass. Airball, rebound by Maborang. Maborang to the Roban. Short. Put back. Abilido. Another put back. Short. Rebound by James. This time James. Pass to Flora. Flora. Takes 5 and getting a foul on number 5. Abilido. That was a 4th personal foul. Warning. Tough goal. Atakayan para Abilido. 2 shots for Flora. Okay, 2 shots for Flora. Score is 24-33. First row connect. Second row. And in and out. Rebound by Bukayo. 1 minute remaining. Here's Maborang. Passing nobody. 53 seconds remaining. 53.7. Flora. Moving the ball. Pass to James. James fire. Pass to Flora to strong. Put back. Wala para kay Lubay. 35 seconds remaining. Here's got Mabora. Mabora, nice pass underneath to Austria. But there's always a pushing foul was called on number 15, James. Third personal foul at the penalty, Kairos. Europa. Nice cut by Bukayo, but there's a whistle traveling. Lora, that's floater. One more, 15 seconds remaining. Bukayo. And a steal by Lubay. Pass to Lora. 5 seconds remaining. Okay, basa pa lang yan. And that's the end of the third period. Score 25-38, 13-point lead for Fighting Eagles. Okay, let's shoot the ball game in the last quarter. Okay, Fighting Eagles ball. Fourth quarter. Aguido, pass to Doropan. Doropan, pull-up jumper, connect for two. Doropan, guarded by Adoli. Pull-up jumper for Doropan, shot. Ball goes to Adoli. This time Adoli. Adoli losing the ball. Still by Mabora. Mabora bringing down the ball and is still from behind by Flora. Flora pass to Adoli. Adoli connect for two. 27-14. 20-14. Aguido, pass to Mabora. Too strong, rebound by Adoli. And same ball. Adoli on the inbound. Received by James. Adoli. The Dale. And ball still by Mabora. And counter steal by Flora to Adoli. 10 seconds to shoot. Hold foul, number 1, Doropan. Doropan, that was a second personal foul, first team foul. Adoli pass to Flora. To Lubay, too strong. Rebound for Flora to James, back to Flora. 10 seconds to shoot. Lubay, too strong again. Rebound, Lubay again. Connect by 2 points. 59-14, got to 11-point lead for Fighting Eagles. Here's Mabora, moving the ball. Mabora, zigzagging, lace up, missed shot. Put back block again by James. Nakakarami na naman si James. Pang-anim na yun. Lora! Wala, laro. Doropan. Pass to Naborang. Naborang. Nice pass to Austria. Missed the shot. Rebound. Lora. And there's a foul again. Number 14. Sabi, Naborang tapos sa third personal foul. Second team foul. I think Eagles. Sab. Sige, pasok. Go. James, pass to Flora. Going to Dolly. To Flora. Flora. Now pass to by James and out of bounds. This time number 45. Pass to Bukayo. Following down by Johnson. Yung partida, hindi pa tumatalon yan. Johnson! For 2 points. At iba na ang matanghad. At malapad. Aditoli. Lora. 3 points. 42-42. Sa punan. Para sa Fighting Eagles. Doroban. Guarded by Aditoli. To Bukayo. 14 on the shot clock. Kaya na traveling. For Bukayo. First time of the body. That's a James. To Flora. Flora taking twice. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound by Bukayo. Pass to Naborang. Naborang carried by Flora. To Doroban. Wala. Block again by James. Bukayo. Pick out pass to Doroban. Pull up jumper. Too strong. Rebound. Goes to Flora. To Chavez. Chavez. To Adodoli. Wala. Rebound by Bukayo. Still from behind. And recover by Bukayo. And still for Adodoli. Chavez. Wala. There's a rebound. Flora. Wala. Rebound. Fighting Eagles. Official score 42-42. Sampo na lang yan. Pwede ba yan?